Iguis, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share an AI tool that generates trending children modeling videos, including children walking on ramps. This trend is currently very popular on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. I'll show you step by step how to create these videos and explain the exact prompts used to achieve them. Let's start with an example prompt. A toddler with a smiling, fair-skinned, doll-like face wearing a fluffy green broccoli costume, complete with a bushy top and stem-like legs. She waves at the audience with a big grin while walking on stage. After a short wait, the video is generated, and wow, it's amazing. I'll include all the prompts in the description below so you can use them to create similar videos. Stay tuned and let's dive in.